Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode in your Haylou Moripods. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find input for the cable. Next you have to open the case and take them out of this case. In the most cases, these two indicators right here start blinking. It means that they are visible to other devices. But if it is not working for you, if there is no indicator turned on, you have to click and hold these two control panels until these indicators start blinking like that. Next you have to go for the pair new device on your phone or any other device and select Haylou Moripods. Accept the pairing request, and as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.